In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating and sending a recurring invoice with due date and online payments. 2 minutes 20 seconds. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a recurring invoice, control how often it goes out, and make it easy for your client to pay online. First, make sure you're in your invoice editor. Start by adding a due date. This sets a clear expectation for when payment is required and helps avoid confusion. Pick a time frame that matches your usual terms, whether that's due on receipt, net 15, or net 30. A clearly defined due date also supports consistent cash flow and makes follow-ups more straightforward. Next, add a line to the invoice for the product or service you're billing. You can add as many lines as you need. Keep each line descriptive and accurate so your client immediately understands what they're being charged for. If you use quantities, units, or rates, double check those values so the totals calculate correctly. Clear, detailed lines reduce back and forth and speed up approvals. Now look to the right side of your screen and click on Make Recurring. This is where you turn a single invoice into a schedule. Choose a date and next issue date to control when the next invoice will be created. Align this date with your billing cycle, monthly, quarterly, or whatever timing your agreement calls for, so you stay consistent. Decide how long the schedule should run by selecting the number of invoices. If the agreement is ongoing, set it to infinite. If it's a fixed-term project or a payment plan, choose a specific number that matches the contract. This keeps your schedule organized and prevents unintended charges. Select your delivery options to control how the invoice is sent, and this could be automatic email delivery or another method your system supports. Pick what matches your client's preference to reduce delays. If you want to accept online payments, check the option to allow them. Enabling online payments can speed up your cash flow and make the process simpler for your client, since they can pay directly from the invoice using supported methods. When everything looks right, click Done to save your recurring settings. Then click on Send To and choose the client you want to send the invoice to. Confirm you've selected the correct contact and you're all set. Your recurring invoice will follow the schedule you set with the due date, line items, delivery settings, and payment options exactly as configured.